Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product automatic attendance management system using face recognition. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Being one of the most successful applications of the image processing is face recognition has a vital role in technical field, especially in the field of security purpose. Human face recognition is an important field for verification purpose, especially in the case of student attendance management systems. This paper is aimed at the implementation of digitizing systems for attendance management are monotonous and time consuming. Manually record attendance can be easily manipulated. Hence the paper is proposed to track all the issues. Hence in this process is implemented to register the attendance management by computing the digital computing. Hence in this process is well efficient, especially the DCP scheme exploits the first derivative of Gaussian operator to reduce the impact difference in illumination, then computes the DCP features at both the holistic and component level. It is computationally efficient and only doubles that the cost, and computationally local binary pattern is extremely robust to pose and expression variations. Now we discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input images. After getting the input image from the dataset folder, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing steps, we have the two modules. First one is the input image, then the second one is the image filtering. Then after the image is taken from the dataset, the image resize is carried down. In this image resize, the size of the image is converted into an aspect ratios. Then the filtering is done to remove the noise present in the input image. After the filtering process, the feature extraction is carried out. Before the feature extraction, the face detection is done by using the Viola-Jones method. After extracting the face regions, we are undergone for the feature extraction by using the LBP. LBP is nothing but the local binary patterns. In these local binary patterns, the pattern values are extracted from the face image and then undergone for the feature encoding. In this feature encoding process, the extracted pattern image is encoded by using the histogram vector creation. After the feature encoding, the classification is done by using the SVM. SVM is nothing but the support vector machine. In this classification, we have to give the three as an input. First one is the test feature, then second one is the train feature, then third one is the target. After giving these three as an input for the classifier, the classification result will be in the form of label. By using the label only, we can identify the person's type. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the mainfile.em and select the option run. Now you can see the dataset folder. Open the folder dataset. You can see the images present in the dataset. Select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of image from the dataset, the selected image is processing automatically. Hence the process is done by the module wise. We have the modules like input, pre-processing, then face detection, face extraction, then feature extraction, and finally classification. The process is done according to that modules wise. Now we discuss the result one by one. At first, the input image which I have selected is shown in the figure 1 with the title input image. The input image will be only in the original resolutions. After getting the input image from the dataset, the filtering is carried down by using the Gaussian filter method. Here the Gaussian filter is used to remove the white noise present in the image. After the noise removal step, the noise free image is undergone for the resize process. Now in the figure 3 represents the resized image with the aspect ratios like 256 cross 256. The 256 cross 256 means the number of columns in the image is 256 and the number of rows in the image is 256. After the resizing, we have to convert the image into an binaries. Binary means here the pixel values only have zeros and ones. The 0 regions represents the black area and the ones regions represents the white regions. Now the face detection is carried out by using the method Vila-Jones. Here we have 5 persons. The totally 5 persons faces are detected by using the Vila-Jones method by bounding the yellow color bounding box. Now the face extraction is carried out. In this face extraction module, we have extracting the each and every person's face from the image and the other backgrounds will be removed automatically. Now this is the image for the pattern extraction. After extracting the patterns will be formed in the image format. Then by encoding the features only, we have getting the values. Here the feature values is present in the tabulation format. After plotting this feature values, the classification is done. Hence the classification result is shown in the command window. Thanks for watching this video.